little holes. Look at that. Isn't this interesting?
Let's do this!
Awesome!
Ayu, she'll teach you things, she'll play with you, and Gigi loves you too.
Yay!
Hello everyone, how are you feeling today? Look what I have. Foam play time, Gigi. How are you feeling? A bit bored? I felt a bit stressed out and a bit angry today because I didn't like the weather outside.
Oh no!
I will just transform my anger into some relaxing thoughts while playing with foam clay.
It's beautiful!
Let's play with foam clay. What do I have in here?
Awesome!
Fork. Okay. Let's see what happens if we stick the fork into the foam clay. Look at that tiny little hole. Wow, isn't this interesting? Wow.
Wow!
Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, this is so relaxing.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy!
Let's try with another one. Now I'm going to use this. Are you ready, Gigi? This will be really interesting. First, I will make these patches need to be really flat. So we will have something like a blanket made out of foam clay. A foam clay blanket. Let's see. So we have the blue patch in here. We need to flatten this out. I think I will do this.
Let's do this!
Okay. And now a pink patch. Oh, this is so relaxing, I'm telling you. If you ever feel angry, or I don't know, you just need to relax yourself a bit. This is a nice idea, playing with foam clay. And the colors are nice. And the feeling is really nice. I like this. Woohoo! Look at that, Gigi. Look at these tiny little bubbles. Oh! Foam clay. Bubbles. Okay. Oh. We have some large cells in here. Let's flatten this out. Okay, just like that. And now an orange patch. A yellow one. Squishy foam clay.
It's beautiful!
Purple. Wow, look at that.
Oh, I love it!
Okay, let's flatten this out. It needs to be flat. Okay, purple. And now the last one, green. Hello.
Amazing!
Hello. now I'm going to use this and I'll try to make some holes in it. Well, in all of them. Let's see. First.
Awesome!
Wow, look
Happy,
at that.
happy, happy.
Wow.
Wow.
Roar. I need to use my superpowers. Roar. I'm strong. Come on. Wow. Go down here. Wow, so interesting. What do you think, Gigi? There you go. You can have this. They look like pancakes. Foam clay pancakes. Oh, look, an orange pancake, a blue pancake. These are for you.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, another one. Come on. I need a pink pancake too. There you go. 1, 2, 3 tiny little foam clay pancakes. But what if I use this straw? See? The circle is smaller. Look. I'm going to move it.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
Can you see these tiny little holes? Look at that. Isn't this interesting?
Let's do this.
I just do this. These are even tinier. What if I do this? And I will take some foam clay with this tool. Wow. Look at that. So relaxing. Woo! Wow, look. JD. It's like jelly. Interesting. And now, look at that. Let's pretend we're rolling some pizza dough.
Oh, I love it.
Wow, look at that. Oh no, it's broken. No. Let's do it again. Or I know, let's make some braids. Braid time.
Awesome!
Wow! Let's do this!
Wow, look at this! Isn't this really amazing? And the colors, oh, it's so pretty. I think that I can use it as a bracelet. Look at that. Wow. Oh, I have a bracelet. A foam clay bracelet. Do you like it?
It's beautiful!
Oh, look at me, look at me. Wow, I love this. Oh, wasn't this fun, Gigi? You have tiny little pancakes and I have a bracelet. Wow, I love it. Let's see the colors. What color is this, Gigi? Purple, blue, and yellow. Wow, let's follow the purple line. Now let's follow the yellow line. Now let's follow the blue line. You know what? They look like snakes. Look, 3 snakes and they roll over each other.
Bravo!
Don't play.
Bravo!
And don't forget, be kind, wash your hands, eat healthy. You are beautiful.